Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm going to show you a simple and natural home remedy for a perfect and flawless face and body. We all suffer at one point in our lives from acne, uneven skin tones, dark circles, or even infections. This home remedy contains the nutrients and minerals necessary for your skin. So the first mineral is zinc. This mineral is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, being an astringent, and facilitating cell reproduction and tissue growth. Zinc also helps in regulating sebum, which is produced by the sebaceous glands, thereby curing acne and pimples. It also contains calcium, but did you know that the majority of your epidermis consists of calcium? So supplementing calcium helps in healthy and effortless skin renewal and preventing the skin from getting dry and dehydrated. The third vitamin is B vitamins. So this remedy contains vitamins B2, B5, and B12. It is the vitamin B2 or riboflavin that ensures you have glowing and healthy skin. Riboflavin helps keep the skin hydrated, protects the skin cells from the damage caused by free radicals, aids in cellular regeneration and growth, and plays a role in the manufacturing of healthy cellular fats. Also, this home remedy contains lactic acid. This is one of the main nutrients, and it also forms one of the key ingredients in several skincare products. Lactic acid is a great exfoliant and skin moisturizer. It also works as an anti-aging agent by reducing the visibility of wrinkles and preventing new wrinkles and fine lines from forming. Now let's talk about what it does to your skin. Now we've already talked about it, but the first thing, it moisturizes and hydrates the skin. So if you think your face is looking dull and tired, don't worry. Gently apply this natural home remedy to your face through circular motions and it will do wonders. The second one is brighter skin. This home remedy inhibits the production of an enzyme called tyrosinase. This enzyme is responsible for the production of melanin. Melanin is what causes your skin tone to darken. When melanin production is inhibited, you end up with a brighter skin tone. The third thing is exfoliation. So this remedy does not irritate the skin and also ensures proper removal of dead skin cells. This in turn stimulates the cells to renew faster. And also, the sand-like texture of the coffee grounds makes a great exfoliant in this home remedy, and it gently works to remove dead skin cells, which helps rejuvenate and boost circulation. Also, exfoliants can plump and tighten, helping to temporarily reduce the appearance of cellulite. The fourth thing is a blemish-free and flawless skin. So if you use this face mask every day, you can destroy the bacteria that can cause acne and pimples. Now the ingredients, you need 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. It is always better to use organic yogurt. Mix the ingredients well. Then use this home remedy once a day, 4 times a week. You can store the leftovers in the fridge for 2 days only. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.